be aware of your anxiety right now. Now notice the words are as gently as possible, which means that you'll naturally breathe in a rhythm that's as easy as possible for you. And say, anxiety, I see you. And recognize that this seeing of your anxiety, while it's happening, is somewhat miraculous because it gives you the capacity. This seeing gives you the real possibility of being responsive in a way that's going to care for yourself. It's going to give you the possibility of actually welcoming the anxiety instead of resisting it or denying it. Remember, every thought matters, and especially awareness or being aware of this thought matters. Because when you see the thoughts that come right after your anxiety, you can see if it's leading you in the direction that's going to support you or it's going to bring you down. Are you helpfully focused right now or critical? Just look, be honest, and if you're critical, let yourself move and recognize, of course, I want to be caring and welcoming. Now look deep in your heart and find a place, at least in your thoughts if you can't reach it emotionally, that wants to care. It's totally crucial that you're aware of your anxiety and sending caring at the same time. And I keep repeating that because when you catch it right as it's happening, that's what allows the magic to occur. Letting yourself feel again and again the acceptance and the anxiety together. And now we can move it to even another level, which is as you've learned how to care for yourself more, or starting to care for yourself, at least in thoughts, and you're more and more tolerant and accepting, there's actually a sense of welcoming anxiety. Welcoming anxiety as if it's your friend because it is your friend. Of course, you're not anxious on purpose, but your anxiety is a part of you that is asking for caring. And also, you can recognize that it isn't you. You are the awareness that is able to see the anxiety and allow yourself to be capable of responding in so many ways that we're going to keep exploring. So see where you are right now. Are you caring for yourself? Are your thoughts supportive? And if they aren't, see if you can shift them. Because you know you can't automatically have a wand and change the feelings of anxiety, but you definitely can change the thoughts about the anxiety. Anxiety, I see you again and again. You're recognizing that your capacity to be this awareness and seeing it is the key first step. And now, as you see it, let yourself find a place that's able to say, I welcome you into my life now and ongoing, because I recognize you're a part of me, whether I try to resist you or not, or I suppress you or not. And if I can have a direct relationship with you while you're here, that allows me to welcome you. It also allows me to develop other capacities that are more and more supportive. And if you can't emotionally welcome yourself, you can find the mind, your intelligence, your wisdom, that at least in thought is going to be on your side, what do you have to lose? And as you end this meditation, just see naturally, without judging, what's the vibe? What's the tone? Are you able to guide yourself with your thoughts only? And if so, great. Or are you actually able to tolerate? Are you able to accept? Are you able to welcome? And wherever you are, hopefully appreciate yourself for moving more and more in this direction to care for, welcome, and to discover how you can best care for your anxiety.
Thanks for listening to Awareness That Heals. Please click subscribe so you won't miss an episode. If you love the podcast, the best way to help spread the word is to rate and review the show. This helps other listeners like you find this podcast. We're deeply grateful you're here and that we have found each other. We encourage you to download our introspective guides at awareness-that-heals.org. They will be helpful to you while listening to our podcast.